Hey folks, I'm Pete, and this is Pete's Eats Cooking Videos. Today I have a real treat for you. We're going to make creamed parsnips. Now they are delicious, they're elegant, they're really easy to make, and they're economical. How can you beat that? They're the perfect veggie side to wow your guests. So let's begin. So just a couple things about parsnips. First of all, I never ate parsnips till I was an adult, so if you haven't tried them, give them a chance. They're really, really delicious. Secondly, you'll never see them sold with the tops like a carrot because a lot of people are allergic to that with poison ivy. And the third thing is that I find that when you buy them individually, you can buy them in a pack or individually. When you buy them individually, they're usually cheaper, like about $1 a pound cheaper. And you want the big ones for this particular recipe. So here's what you're going to need to make them. You need obviously the parsnips. You need a little bit of cream, some butter, salt, and something to puree them with. I use this little whizzer thing. There you go. There's the parsnips. They've been peeled just like you'd peel a carrot. And I've cut them into 1-inch chunks. Now I'm going to cover them with water, salt the water, and boil them till they're soft. Put a bit of salt in there. That's good. This will probably take about half an hour. So here you go. Here's the parsnips. They've boiled for just over half an hour and they're nice and soft and they've been drained. And now I'm going to throw in a tab of butter. This is all really to your taste. There's a nice tab, about 2 tablespoons of butter. And I'm going to put a little bit of 35% whipping cream in there. Probably about 1/4 cup. And just a little bit of salt. I know the water was salted. And now I'm just going to whiz them up with my whizzer. I'm going to put a bit more cream in there. You just want to work this through until all the lumps are gone. So there you go. We whipped it up a bit more so it's nice and pureed. We tasted and adjusted, added some salt and some butter, and it's ready. So there you go, creamed parsnips. I guarantee you when you serve this to your guests, they're going to say one thing: wow. Enjoy!